Hey everyone, it's Jill from Today's Creative Food, and I know if you're watching this, you're probably home. It's been some challenging times the last few days, and it could continue on for weeks. And I'm like you, I'm at home, and I just wanted to offer you something that can make it a little bit funner, a little bit more activity in the home, and that is baking. And I wanted to give you a free download. You can just link down below here and just click it on. I don't need your email. I don't need you to sign up for anything. There's no payment. It's just free for you to download and print, or you can just keep it on your computer. It's called My Perfect 10. It's 10 perfect recipes that I have tested and tried and tasted, and they work out perfectly every time. Also, it brings everyone into the kitchen, which is the most important place to be as a family, and working together to make something yummy. And also it brings the family together for learning as well. There's math, science, language, social skills, working together as a team. There's so many things that are involved when you get everyone together to bake. The best part is eating together and celebrating. And as you guys are all together as a family, it's really important that these family times, these are memories that you will never ever be able to take away. They're going to be remembered for everybody's lifetime. It's going to be really an important time for all of us to come together. So I hope that you take advantage of this free download and enjoyed baking with each other. And I'm thinking about all of you, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.